Mirror, horizontal. This tool is useful to mirror object in horizontal direction. Here, we have one object. Select object, and press Mirror Horizontal button. Here, you can see, object is mirrored in horizontal direction. Let's see again. If we press Mirror Horizontal button with Shift key, then the object will be mirror on 90 degree. If we want to mirror objects in 90 degrees, right side to left side, then select the object, and press Mirror Horizontal button, with Alt and Shift key. Here, you can see, the object is mirrored, from right side to left side. Now, if we want to mirror an object with duplicate, select the object, and press Mirror Horizontal button, with Ctrl and Shift key. Here, you can see that the object is duplicated and mirrored. Now, if we want to mirror an object with a duplicate, right side to left side, select the object, and press Mirror Horizontal button, with Ctrl Alt Shift key. Here, you can see that the object is duplicated and mirrored from the right side to the left side. Mirror Horizontal button, shortcut key is Q.